What is up, YouTube? We back again, cause I got some mods. This time for my lady's car. I'll tell you what I did. Went to go cut up the radio in this little thing and popped her last speaker. So yeah, we're gonna be hopping in a little Accord today. We're gonna be trying to get us some new front speakers in here. I'm gonna show y'all what we got in a few after I run the intro and everything. Stay tuned, here we go.
You ever seen a chopper do some damage? Niggas tripping, I ain't got I tell them, you must be out of your mind.
Look, my man walking the scooter, goddamn. Look at him on the scooter.
Still the king,
Tell me that bitch.
East side to the world, I'm in that wind.
Alright, YouTube, so the thing is, when you go turn the radio station actually and turn the volume like all the way up, like really shot it all the way up, pop the last little speaker. She only got one left in this thing. Sounds kind of trashy, so we're gonna get some new speakers in here, at least in the front area right now, because I got to test these out. I've never purchased this pair before. So yeah, we're gonna test these speakers out in the front and see what they sound like, and then we're gonna see whether or not we're gonna boost them and whatnot later on down the line. But let me show y'all what I actually picked up. Scoop these JVCs, the CSJ 620s. We're gonna see what they sound like in the front side, replace these speakers, and yeah, get some sounds within this thing, man. We ain't really got much mods to the Accord since we done bought it, besides the radio. And I just fucked up her shifter. I need to fix that real quick. Other than that, yeah, y'all stay tuned. Let me get everything broke down. All right, it ain't no rocket science here. You're gonna have to get the door panel off and everything. What I am curious about, I don't have a cup for this. So I hope that speaker is gonna sit there with no issues. We're gonna see. And yeah, actually I ended up finding the old speaker that was in here, so I could take that out and remount the little bucket right here, get some space for it if I need it. So yeah, I'm gonna cut y'all back on after I get the wires and stuff stripped, clipped back, and get this mounted up there. Here we go. Got the bucket back mounted, which now I got to see if the speaker gonna fit in it and whether or not I'm gonna have to cut the ass end out the bucket. Gotta be very, very careful because it ain't 100% mounted yet, but it is sitting in that bucket without having to chop it out. So that's good to know. Now let me just get it wired and see what it sounds like. Check it out. Got that mud mounted, YouTube. Need to get the rest of the screws in it real quick. Let me see what it sounds like.
For more information and to purchase tickets, please visit ncataggies.com.
Ew, gotta get rid of this old Backstreet Boys.
Good thing we on commercials. Sheesh.
Because it stinks, boys.
Let me get over there, get the other installed, and I'm gonna show y'all what it sounds like. Stay tuned. Now, I told y'all I blew this speaker, but golly, I did not know it was this bad. That mug was gone. Let me get this undone and get the other one in the spot, and we're gonna see what this thing sound like together. I didn't show y'all how I was wiring them up, but they came with harness attachments here. Just got them spliced in, soldered on, and stuck some heat shrink over it. You know, normal. I ain't going too crazy. They little small wires, and I ain't running no power through it just yet. But yeah, I'm gonna get the other speaker put in, and we're gonna see what they sound like. All right, y'all, I ain't got much time because y'all know how YouTube is with the copyright and whatnot, so I'm gonna turn it up real quick. Make sure we got speakers out of both the doors and that we sounding good.
All the haters want a jet, tight, no slick, just bought a Cadillac.
We sounding real good. She got some music in here now. Y'all stay tuned, subscribe. We got some mods for like all the cars and the bike too. Yeah, pretty simple install. Just getting some front speakers in this thing. They were some 6x5s. Or 6x1.5, and they fit perfect. So you need any speakers for the 90, I think it's any of the 90s model Honda Accords, almost all of them are 6 1/4 inches or 6.5. So yeah, I see y'all on the next video. Stay tuned, subscribe, and we on that road to 1K. I'm thinking about a giveaway at 1K. I really am. So stay tuned, and I'll see y'all later.